Well, it's a Saturday afternoon again, getting ready to go to Lincoln. I think we're all fixed up from last week. We replaced our header that we got smashed and our Nerf bar. And the wing panel's been patched together. Corey's got it all patched up here with some duct tape. I think we're ready to go. What do you think, Chris? You ready to go? Yep, Chris is ready. He's always ready.
Always.
We got our guitar mount. We got time trials tonight. GoPro's on, ready to rock and roll there. Second GoPro, something different tonight, different steering wheel. Trying something a little different. But yeah. We're just discussing last week's misfortunes here. Talking about how we're gonna have to race the track and maybe the scores. Good times. Here we go.
Hi, I'm Billy Dietrich, sprint car mechanic and driver. I've been around racing my whole life and it's pretty much all I know. We created this channel to share the good and the bad and everything in between. Our crew may not be the most experienced or professional, but we get it done and we have a good time doing it. We'll show you what it's really like racing weekly at some of the best tracks in central Pennsylvania. I'm also going to share some sprint car tutorials, mechanics, and parts, and whatever else I feel like. So like, subscribe, and ring that bell for notifications. And enjoy the ride. Yeah, boy!
All right, Heather has arrived. What we got? What's going on here?
It's Nasty Nate's birthday this week.
Whoa.
We got some other stuff to put on there too. I think kids are really gonna like it. So we got a little cutout of Nate here. Stick in there. And we got some big numbers, and if you can guess what Nate's favorite number is, that's what the numbers are. So
Yeah.
stay tuned. He has no idea. We have a plan to surprise him.
Yeah. Guess below what his favorite number is. Comment below. Yes, we got some birthday cake, and then Heather's got some
Hash brown casserole, different than usual. I didn't realize that I didn't actually have all the ingredients, and I made Nate's favorite food. There's chicken tenders in the truck and hash brown casserole, and I didn't have any cheddar cheese, so I did have some, but not enough, so I substituted mozzarella in, and it's made with love. And if you make things with love, everyone will like them. That's all I have to say. It's still good. It's not hateful. I wouldn't choose to make it like that.
but it's got a little twist.
It's got a little twist. It has a little different taste. Still fruity.
Still looks good.
It's good. It'll be good.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna get all the stuff loaded, and then no merch today. No sell merch today.
Yeah, so we're almost out of merch. We got more merch coming next
I don't
week.
have
So
anything left, so it's really like a disappointing time to sit and tell everybody they don't have their size or what they want, like for an hour. So
yeah.
it's only a week. We'll take off. Maybe I'll take Nate over and buy him a drink, and we'll go for a walk in the infield or something.
There you go. All right, there's the Saturday pre-Lincoln food report, and we're getting ready to go.
Today, aren't we?
Yes, we are.
It's a beautiful day.
No rain today. All right, drivers' meeting's concluded. Give you a little rundown of the drivers' meeting, talking about last week's starts and restarts, how they weren't happy with them, and how the head flagman here has no say at all in the call on whether it's a jump or not. In his opinion, the starts were fine. He wouldn't have called it back, but you know, probably need to go to the tower and see whoever makes the call. So that was part of the drivers' meeting. Wayne's talking. The other part of the meeting was about fighting in the pit area. So if you're gonna go in another person's trailer and have words, it's gonna be a $500 fine. And then the second offense will be another $500 in 2 weeks. it didn't go past that, so hopefully things simmer down. It's been a little dicey back here, to say the least. How about Nate?
Yeah.
Been some action in the back pit, so
It's not even the hot part of summer yet.
yeah, I mean, we're just getting into the thick of the season. But other than that, it's just our normal time trial, speed week format, one car at a time. Same stuff we do every time we have time trials here. No rain tonight, which is good, because last week we got rained on. Last night we got rained on. What do you think of the track, Nate? How's it looking?
Same as always.
Yep. Nate's here tonight, so
Yeah.
that's good.
No baby shower.
No baby shower, no anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah, he don't have much to say, but it's pretty dry out. Kids out here checking.
Yeah, whoa there, sailor. Where are you going? How you doing?
What do you think? How's the track gonna be like?
Slick.
Slick? It's gonna be fast and then slick, or just slick all night?
Do you know that guy on that shirt you're wearing? You don't know him? Oh yeah. What do you think of him? He's awful. Wrecks too much. Yeah. Well, you heard it right there from the kid, so I don't know. I'll go back over here.
We just had a little excitement when we walked up here. We didn't get it on camera, but we heard this loud bang here. Then one of these trucks blew a tire. Right rear tire getting into 3.
Wow.
Pretty loud. Dave was having flashbacks like he was in Iraq or something.
Nom.
He was in Nam.
Rice patties in Penang.
Do the chop off.
69.
Get down. All right, so warm ups, time trials is next. Heating the motors next. What are you looking at? Oh boy. Chris.
Nate.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nate. Happy birthday to you.
Now I gotta make a wish, right?
Yeah. Big titties don't help.
What kind of cake is it?
I don't even know.
There's only one way really to find out.
Nate! Are you
Good.
fucking serious right now?
I can't breathe in my nose.
She go to the driver's meeting.
You want me to walk up
No.
there? Is this the 358 driver meeting?
All right, me and Nate, we came for a walk for his birthday. I bought him a drink or two, and hanging out with the Beer Hill gang here at Lincoln. Just look for the trash can here, and you'll know where they're at. So, infield's kind of filling up. When we first got here, there was like nobody here. Everybody's having a great time. And we're gonna go over and check out this auction they got going on for the benefit race. Should be super fun. Okay, we're here at the Elijah Hawkins Memorial. They have a auction to benefit Elijah. See, there's like a lot of stuff donated here.
Yes, as a reminder to the fans as we go through our warm-up period here tonight, and as the evening
Nate's got his eye on this trophy.
Ryan Monteith Track Championship trophy from 2019.
Is this something you want?
Pretty cool. It's up to 400. I mean, I'll go to 569.
What are you doing, Nate? How much you going to?
$1,000.
Are you for real?
No.
Huh? $569.
Goes to charity, right?
Yeah. All right, we got Kellen here. He came in to get his stuff signed. Me and Nate found him over in the grandstand. So
There you go,
You
man.
look lost, but now he's found.
awesome.
You wouldn't have one, so
Thanks for coming, man.
So you have an awesome time. You got to watch the hot laps from the top of the trailer. How'd you like that? Oh, freaking awesome.
Okay, getting ready for time trials. Going out dead last year of 47. Track's not real fast, 13.8 is a good time so far, so we're just trying to guess on the setup here. Track's moving around, it's changing, and we're making some adjustments.
Why'd you go out last?
It ain't my fault. I gotta get right.
To me, one's getting awful wide down there in the marble. Wide? Yeah.
25th. You look fast. You're just loose, I guess, right?
Yeah, I mean, I got just spinning my tires really.
The first lap, I could hear it off too.
Even off of 4.
You're going out last. I mean, like, can't expect too much.
Oh shit!
Well, I still love you.
That's good.
Well, we just got to race our way in.
That's right, Corey.
We've been here before, so we've been here before. We race our way in.
I mean, I was definitely free before drive, any drive at all. Like, never getting into the track.
Tyler Phil Meyer heads down to Victory Lane. He'll get a couple of words.
You do.
You can't help that you went out last.
Hey, Corey. You might as well change stacks, change boxes, do the whole thing.
Okay, we got this whole feature to do it.
Yeah.
You want to change gear? Okay. Gear, I think it's one to say you have a time trial.
We just need more drive. I didn't feel like I drove a terrible lap.
I didn't think you did.
You looked good.
I didn't feel like I drove a bad line. I thought it was the second lap down there. I got in a little wide trying, but you know it's so dirty everywhere.
That first lap coming off of here.
Yeah, just standing up.
I mean, the good thing is we're going to start 8-6 qualified. So we just need you 6th. We can do that.
I'm gonna try and win the E-race.
I'm okay with that too.
Just jump the start.
That's a great idea.
You're going to go back one,
I should.
You'll be by yourself?
Just jump the whole start. They're gonna call me for a jump anyway.
Well, maybe if you jump, they'll put you in the second row.
Yeah.
It's like a NASCAR game. Just go everybody around everybody on the outside.
So you jump from the back, right? Just jump, start from the back. Fuck them. That's half the field before they go on.
All these great ideas.
I'm going to have a track
No, I got a better idea. I'm just gonna line up behind the pace car.
There you go. Don't move.
I'll just line up there.
Just not leave.
Stay right on the pace car bumper.
You need to act like what your last name is, Bill. Do what you want.
Okay, let's get back to racing.
Happy anniversary.
Time trial's over. Not a very good time trial for us. 25th out of 29. Last car out. Not that that's an excuse, but
It is,
it
though.
doesn't help.
Let's just be honest. The track
really,
is garbage.
The track really changed a lot. I mean, it slowed down over a second from earlier to the last. So that's going to put us start 9th in the first heat. We'll take 10 laps, so we're tightening the car up. We're just going to basically pass where we were last week for the feature because it's already that slow. The track's already that slow. So we'll take 6. We got to finish the top 6 to make the show. At this point in time, that's the goal, is just to get the show through the heat. And we'll have this. That's the way it goes sometimes. You can't control that. Nobody went out late, not real fast. I mean, everybody was in the high teens to the 20s. So that's the way it goes.
It's all part of it.
That's part of the race.
It's part of it. Sometimes you're just going to be the last guy out.
Right. It's luck of the draw. No matter how much you do to your car, sometimes you can't overcome track conditions, right? So that's what's happening. Guys are doing all the work to the car, and hey, night job. We're gonna try and get up through there and still have a good night out. Good night for this. So.
You got the B main too. Like even if you can't get far enough, you
Right.
still have that, right?
So try and get up through here and then heat race past some cars, position ourselves better for the A, and that's what's happening.
You ready, babe?
I think so.
You're gonna do great. Or not, but it's okay.
Good way to start tonight. Glad everybody's come down and support the track. Pretty cool to actually win a race with a lot of fans. Perfect race going out tonight for
Great job, babe.
I should have went to the top sooner.
Well, the first time or two you were up there wasn't real good.
No, it wasn't
like,
real good.
I don't know if it was slimy
Still
or
wet.
yeah.
Still wet up there, and yeah, fucking stuck. I feel like I was just stuck down there because I went to the top really, and it just wasn't working. And then I should have just stuck with it.
That's all right. You're in.
Calm them guys down. I'm way faster than they were again.
Yeah. Yep.
So I might fuck around for too long.
Well,
you're gonna find out.
I mean, you're in. Good thing.
Sure is. You got dirt in your hair, babe.
Car wasn't bad once. There ain't nothing on the bottom. No, nothing. Everybody's fighting, trying to get a little bit of moisture.
once you went to the top, it would have been about.
Like it cleaned up, like it wore in. The top wore in. The water wore off. I mean, you know, went from being sloppy a little bit to traction.
That first lap you tried, it really got over, like it wanted to skate toward
There
the
ain't
wall.
much up there. Like center of the turn, there ain't a whole lot to hold. Well, I told Chris here, I'm tired of him going drinking half of his water bottle, let him sit around.
You got a baby bottle.
See his pinky? Look at that. You better drink it all.
That's how I cycle tires too, my pinky out.
I'm not sure about that. Come up and look at the track real quick. Getting ready to push up. Oh.
Water the cushion after the bees and then run the cushion in.
Okay.
What Fred said.
Might help a little bit. Anyway, the track's really dry. Just wanted to look at it quick. It's changed a lot from the beginning of the night till now. So, yeah, you said they're going to water the track for the feature.
Hey, buddy. How you doing? Good. So Gutshall was in the last race, so we're gonna go.
Yeah, my dad said he radioed down from the grandstand and said the track was leaking rubber. So we're going to investigate that.
Bill's dad likes to have Wanda text me and tell Bill little tips for racing. So always a good time.
You and Danny.
Me and Danny.
I'm just going to look at his tire quick and see how the wear is. I'd say it's like moderate. I mean, pretty normal stuff. So, we'll see if what he says is true. It'll probably get a lot worse than that before it's over with. Yeah, we'll see. All right, features up. They just blew the 8-minute horn, rolling off 16th. We're experimenting a little bit, so we'll see. We'll see how this works. Hopefully it works well. 35 laps. See what happens. And, come back with you after the feature.
What'd you do to the car? Anything?
Just a couple things here and there, nothing too much. So the track's probably going to change a lot.
It was a really long B main.
Yeah, so it's really black and slick, so it might just keep getting, slicker, maybe more abrasive. So I gotta get ready.
Jimmy Lubo, Mechanic 3010, Delta, Sonic 5, baseline, box number 707, representing
How you feel? Yeah, you look good. Right through the middle.
What are you doing with your helmet?
I'm not sure what to do.
You drive right through the middle like you did.
I'm saying in the car if we can do anything. Yeah? Yeah, I'm just tippy toeing. How's the air pressure? Low? Probably.
This one's low right now.
I really don't know what to change. I mean, I got a little bit more wing yet, but.
All right, so the official said that they're gonna try to fix this fence. It's pushed out pretty far and it's a safety issue, so I guess we're gonna be red for a couple more minutes here while they work on this fence. Yeah. Bill, over here they're grinding their tires and everything.
You know, the tires are expensive, and we don't have a whole lot of rubber left, so we're not going to take any more rubber off.
No rubber off these bad boys. It's pretty smooth. It's like when you filter your pictures so they don't have wrinkles.
This is the second feature on that tire.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Interesting. Money saving, thrifty over here.
Starting in the back, you don't put new tires on if you have to.
It's true.
We didn't.
Just keep doing what you're doing, you'll be fine.
These guys are working super hard over here. Doing a good job. What the fuck's going on? What?
Lost brakes.
Why?
One of the pads kicked out, the crossbar came out.
Why do you have that look in your eye?
You know, I've been racing since 1997, and I've never had the bridge bolt come out of the rear caliper and spit the pads out. I had brakes when we stopped for the red. We pushed back off from the red. Literally, I had no brakes by the time I got from turn 2 to turn 3. I have no words. We were good. We're definitely going to be in the top 10.
Put your hands together for one race that ended up in Latin traffic for second place.
I'm frustrated a little bit.
Troy Watt.
What can I say? I mean, like, did something different for the feature. It worked. We were pretty good. And open part failure. A bolt failure, I should say.
Well, you ready for my words of wisdom here?
Yes.
Silver lining.
Yeah,
Speed Week's coming and we're going to race here twice, so at least you're running good.
yeah, true. True.
But today did suck. And we didn't sell merch because we're out. So we really came here for like nothing.
Well, maybe we learned something.
I had fun with my friend too.
Yeah, that's good. I'm glad you had fun. Everybody did a good job. It's just shit happened.
Can you show me what happened?
Yeah, let me get a flashlight. This is the rear brake. If you can get in here and look, there's a bolt. Put the light in here. There's a bolt that goes right in here. See these holes here? We call it a bridge bolt. It's got a big spacer on it, and it retains the pads into the caliper. So for whatever reason, that bolt's gone. I had brakes when we stopped for the red. Pushed me off. Got to turn 3, no brakes. I have no idea. No idea. There's somebody smarter than me. All right, so we got Fred here making his annual Lincoln appearance. How about Fred? How you been?
That's right, my annual pilgrimage to Lincoln. I come down here and watch Billy once a year and watch Danny down at Volusia in the wintertime. I spend the winters down there these days with all the other old people.
So what's the story here?
Well, you know, Fred used to help on the car. We, you know, him and Corey, the crew for a long time. Fred
Bill was the best kid I ever worked with. He'd do what you told him to when you went out there, and we won a lot of races going there.
That's true, we did. All the races, 358 races. We had a good time.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Only got through out of a couple tracks, 1 or 2 fights, but other than that, we were fine.
Actually, we got through out because your dad got in the fight. They played us.
We won't get into that, but it's good seeing you.
Yeah, good to be here.
Who's going first?
This goofy, sorry guy. Get over here, Sideburns. Come here.
All right, well, that's a wrap from Lincoln. Good night. We went bad with the stupid brake pads falling out of the back. What can I say? Everybody did a good job. We tried something different. It was actually working really well. That's racing. It's like the weather. One day it's good, one day it's bad. How about it, Nate?
Yep, just like the weather. Some days it's cloudy, some days it's sunny, some days it's snowing, some days it's blowing. I just pulled that out of my ass.
It was great. It was like a poem.
Yeah.
Done?
That's a wrap. See you next time.